And then on sunglasses. Some guys wear sunglasses, some guys don't wear sunglasses. Personally, this is a tool that I use during certain times. If I want people not to be able to see my eyes, if I want to come across as a slightly more mysterious or intimidating, I'll throw on some sunglasses because people just aren't able to read you. If I want to be looking at belt lines and I want to be analyzing people, maybe I'll throw on sunglasses. But conversely, when I want to be able to control someone or interact with someone without touching someone, I'll generally take off my sunglasses so they can see my eyes. If I want to look at somebody so that they stop, so they move around us, if I want to look more serious, if I want to just kind of disarm someone and just say, hey, how you doing? Good to see you. Thanks, have a nice day. And disarm them with kindness. I'll also use my eyes to be able to do that. So the eyes are a very powerful tool. You just have to be deliberate as to when you use them. If you use your sunglasses at the wrong time, you can come across cold, and that can also cause different problems, especially when you're dealing with different power players in your environment. Boom! So I hope you guys are enjoying the Executive Protection Essentials product. But I've got to let you know this is only the beginning. In training day, I go way deeper into every single thing we touch on in the essentials, as well as a number of additional topics. Training day is where kind of the next level of what it is we offer at the league. This is where you enter the League of Executive Protection Specialists. This is where you get access to the network, all the different agents on the platform that help you find jobs that you do your career with. This is where you get access to the ongoing meetings that I'm having, Zoom meetings, mentoring, contributing to each other twice per month. So, you pay, get in, and then twice per month, you're getting ongoing mentoring and you're getting to do your career with a whole group of people. I'm building your network. I'm networking for you. It's amazing. And then obviously upgrading into any of the on-ground curriculum we have. We have a number of amazing courses, everything from hard skills intensives to immersion courses, medical, driving, all the stuff that it will take for you to be recognized as a specialist in the executive protection industry, become an executive protection specialist, and get the industry to react to you and bring opportunities to you, as well as we give you the relationships you'll need to have a meaningful and successful career in this industry, specifically crafted for you guys to win, succeed, and for us all to win and succeed together. So if you're enjoying this product, upgrade and let's do more together. Let's get in each other's lives. Let's achieve success in the private security industry together.